Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I want to show you guys the first giveaway truck on the 10,000 subscribers. This one's going to be third place truck. We got 2 more trucks coming for this, and it's going to be epic. But we are not going to do any of the giveaway part until we hit 10,000 subscribers. Well, here it comes. Look at that. I just love the color scheme on it, man. It is awesome. It rocks, dude. Look at that thing. Just a mean color scheme. I'm pretty stoked for it. Man, someone's gonna get an awesome truck. It comes box, controller, tools, battery charger, and a battery. Wheels are upgradable, shocks are, motor. It's all full hobby grade, guys. And we're gonna just enjoy it. Oh, we got some bicycles coming by. They're walking. This thing does out of the box 25 miles an hour. It's got a 2S LiPo in it. Brushed motor, of course, but that can be changed over to brushless. It's not too bad. I want to turn this thing, let somebody turn this thing into a monster, whatever they want to do. It's a cool little truck. Comes with front and rear bumpers. 4-wheel drive. It's actually pretty cool. Four-wheel drive. It does go on the grass. Good turning radius. It's a fun little truck. Someone's gonna have a blast with this thing. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the one of the 3 giveaways for the 10,000 subs. Now, you have to be subscribed, so you want to have a chance at this, hit that subscribe button, everybody. And I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking this out. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next episode. I appreciate it, everybody.